Nanababo Kabalin. Welcome to Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Lubao, Pampanga. Particularly Casa Maria. Guys, ang ganda ng staycation natin for today. Napakaganda and napakaaliwalas ng surrounding na to. I believe, sobrang mag-enjoy po ng family ko dito. If you wanna know more about this, papasukan po natin yung property. And of course, we're gonna show you all the enjoyment and excitement that we had in this video. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! This is the third level. So some would call it mezzanine, some would call it attic. But this is the room kung saan dito yung accommodation. So dito talaga yung tulugan. So currently guys, meron tayong 4 na beds. These are king size beds. Meron din tayong maliit na table chair dito. Para sa akin, para siyang extreme staycation. So ito talaga yung kung saan mag-i-stay ka sa baryo, sa bukirin, and wala kang maririnig ng anumang tunog ng sasakyan. All you gotta do is time with your family, with your friends. And yeah, this is the place. Ganda. Nandito tayo ngayon sa parang ground level. Ito yung gitna ng property. Actually, parang meron siyang basement. And then third floor or third level, meron tayong extra sofa bed, which is this one. So, meron siyang pull-out bed dito. Still here, meron tayong large LCD TV, another place for sofa in which you can enjoy watching your favorite streaming content. Coming out to the balcony, ako isa sa mga favorite place ko to since it has a view of the farm and of course the swimming pool. So still here, meron tayong outdoor sofa dito again for added relaxation. Dito naman guys, located yung ating dining area. So in here, meron tayong counter, our dining table, another sofa chair over there. And ginagawa naman, nagpo-photo siya.
Yun. Kompleto pala yung gamit.
Kompleto yung gamit, guys. So dito rin, nandito yung ating kitchen. We have our sink. Refrigerator is over here. Ayan. And actually, this door, ito, is going towards our dirty kitchen. And so this is how it looks like during the daytime. So finally, we were able to view kung gaano kaganda yung staycation natin. So there is it. And then dito sa likod ko naman guys, is yung napakalawak na bukirin. Currently, mga bata ay nag-enjoy dun sa may mga koi fish dito eh. As of vlogging this staycation, rate po natin dito ay 13,500 pesos only. This is located po sa may San Francisco, Lubao, Pampanga. So if you are interested to, check this out, inquire po dun sa fan page we're gonna be including in this post. If you enjoyed it, again, please do share it as well. So thank you so much, Casa Maria, for making us stay in your peaceful abode. Ayan guys, so thank you so much for watching Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys.